Hello, my name is Paridhi Talanki and I am in grade 7. I have completed my Scratch game development course from Roboprenr, and I am going to be talking about my favorite game which we have made so far. My favorite game is Flappy Bird, which where a bird has to cross the levels. However, it's only one level and it's very challenging but fun, so I enjoyed the most. We have made various other games, but with the help of my teacher, I find this the most interactive. This course has been very helpful, and now with all the knowledge that I have learned and how I know I can code with block coding, I can make games of my own, which I would be very happy to make. Thank you.